generation done to pussy clot. They want the picnic them to be lawyer, doctor, minister, judge, teacher, this, that, and we not get no money. You favor stinking blood clot shit. I rob you want to rob me. My wealth and my value without with the world hen. And the blood clot man fi pack stone and get and run and yard back fi stone you man with him pussy. Where you go? Where the bumper clot you go? And when we done fuck your hand up get something free? Free your pussy clot. 10,000 for your little girl. And 40 for your little boys. None na born a bumper clot. So if you take up my picnic give it free and have ready for work my woman and picnic. Who no feel a stinking blood clot shit. Only picnic then get blood clot big. Me want help and can't get them out there in a system. Then the system and get them benefit to blood clot and they never help me to grow them. Right?
Maybe me dunce. But we peanut touchers. Somebody need to crush out the peanut again.
Man love woman, woman no love man. Only man love woman, my brethren. Woman recognize man for them possession where she can get. A man alone will buy them house, buy them car, pay them furniture bill and light bill and less. And the woman not do that to you. Unless you go the other way, you eat shit for 9 bottom all that sitting there. Understand?
Peanut dread.
And what? You saw your cocky won't stand up, eh? Start friend. I prove your blood clot trend. Every morning you wake up, you wake with a tip cock stand. And you know where you all live, yeah boy? Yeah. Anytime it dead, fret, I go to blood clot. And
Peanut, we got Viagra over here. Well, over there. I'm still young. I'm still strong up.
them a last generation mad. Because they have one bite muffler community, whole community, and the head of the street dirty. Me think the government now know something about it, you know. And God bid me Lego them pan them, and then them pants put tight. And when you look in back pocket, the weird on my knee. When you look again, 300 pants. Me have to wonder if I leak him, I leak, you know. But God bid me come now. Then call them one of the dog now, and make the leaders them here and say, oh, who know a dog? Poison them and put on muzzle on them, right? Not that me see. Then do them now. Start to poison them all over the world. And I tell them where muzzle. Eh? Me.
Peanut! Then if you cut your locks.
People always see me and I say me fi have manners, right? And if you want to know where to tell fi have manners, they say walk and lift up dog tail and tell the dog body hole. Say if you have manners, the dog shit up the whole of the roadside and shit up in a people gateway, right? Right when him know the bike and the car them have to run, right? And they say dog go shit you know man, right? And me always tell people say watch on a man. Why you don't want to lift up the dog tail and talk to him body hole and tell him say if you have manners? Why am me who don't tell if you have manners? That dog no manners, right? Because him bad mind, he look like
Peanut need to be stopped.
I go pregnant woman to pregnant him in a middle day. Now fuck a night for pregnant woman. The picnic with dark and hard to learn. At school, yes. And a middle day and him bright your fuck.
That's all?
Yeah, yes. Yes. Now fuck her a night to breed her. The picnic dark to rascal and hard to take book too. Yeah?
So, my question to Peanut Dread. What about daytime when it's raining? Because you know, it gets dark sometime. Is that okay or not? That's a legitimate question, you know. Jamaica is not a real place. That means Jamaicans are not real people. We fake. When I tell us say Jamaica full of storytellers and comedians, a lot of them older guys and middle-aged guys where they always there bar like Bagadat and Peanut and Jerry and even Johnny. We have so many men like that who they're not on the internet, but you can just chill with them and they gonna make you laugh till you cry. Yeah man. See one more yeah. Check it out.
Him cocky dead and he find out where man to straighten up in cocky eye. Like him and say, hey, you man I said to him, say, you want to give you 3 wish. But me have to go use one for your sister at the work and then you can do the next door. So your man say, gang, and he cocky turn up the blood clot. Your man say, gang, he good up. So the boy say, you know me, go home, you know. Woman jump in a little old car and a driver go and reach a stoplight and bike man right down against him and say, gang, he cocky turn up the blood clot. When the bike man a move up and say, gang, he cocky go down back and say, no, sir, me now make no bike pass me. I take a 3 boat. You see when he goes to 3 boat? Bumba clot, when he reach a yard and his wife in a bed already, you know, catches up my everything, no clothes on and ready. The woman say, wow, ready I know, you know. And so you mean, man, ready, man, firm, gang. You man say, oh, topic gang.
If we could just unite as a people, Jamaicans, put on the gun and just enjoy the island would be so much better because we have like 3 million Jamaicans living abroad. Just imagine half that amount invest back in the country. Just imagine that. But nobody don't want to invest because you go back home and you build up a shop or you build a business and come tell us say you need to pay this, and if you reject it, refuse to, you get shot. You get killed. You see me? But anyways, this is Los Jackson Funny. If you want reality check, go and check Sir P. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Leave some comments in the section. Do me a favor, share the video, subscribe. I'm out.